Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a fun click sound to your mouse in Windows. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite browser and search for Click It app. Click on the GitHub link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the page, scroll down. You can find the setup file in this release's link. Go ahead and click on the link for clickitsetup.exe to start your download. Once the download is complete, double-click the setup file to begin the installation. If Windows Defender blocks it, don't worry. Just click on More Info and then select Run Anyway. Select the Install for All Users option. Click Yes to proceed. Next, choose your preferred language and hit OK. The setup will show you the installation folder. Feel free to leave it as is. Then click Next, keep clicking Next, and click Install. Lastly, click Finish, and that's it. The installation is complete. Now, every time you click anywhere on your screen, you'll hear that satisfying click sound. How cool is that? Want to change the sound? No problem. Just open the app, and you'll see a list of sound options to choose from. You can also adjust the volume with a simple slider. That's a quick overview of how to add click sounds to your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content, so you'll be notified whenever I release new videos. And if you have any suggestions for future topics, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time!